Should we go ahead and start?
Take one, marker.
Hey, I'm Kelly. Thanks for joining me at my shop, Oliver. I've been in business for about 20 years now, and all throughout that time I've had an awesome neighbor, my friend Elisha, who is the owner of Pipton. It originally started out as Blush House of Beauty. She just recently rebranded. She's focusing more on clean beauty and really becoming more of a lifestyle brand. So I wanted to share with you what I use on a regular basis from her shop and show you what's in my bag. So even the cosmetic bag itself that I use is, I guess, a green product. It's made from all recycled materials. You can find this at Pipton. The brand is Naghedi. And I love it, you know, because I can easily wipe it off. When it gets dirty, it's just like really easy to clean and keep up with it. It always looks great. The first products I wanted to share with you are from Augustinus Bader. So there is a cleanser and a toner called Essence and a moisturizer. So the whole line is based on this TFC8 technology, which is basically just about skin renewal and regeneration. It's all natural. So this is the cleanser. It starts out as a cream and then it foams, and it's just really soothing, makes my skin feel really clean, lightweight, doesn't leave a filmy residue behind. Then I apply the essence with like a cotton ball, and this actually acts as an exfoliator as well as a toner, and even adds a layer of hydration in before I turn to the moisturizer. So I love this as a second step. Finally, the rich cream, which I have very dry skin, so this is the right product for me. However, there are different formulations for different skin types. It just goes on, again, everything really lightweight, but really hydrating and smooth. So that is my everyday, morning and night. I also at night use eyebrow and lash serum. So I just apply this before bed. This product is the one everyone raves about, so I've just recently started using it and already seeing results. It is known to increase your lash density, I think by 50% or something like that, and also makes your brows thicker and longer. So I love that. Moving on to another brand. So whatever Augustinus Bader is to clean skincare, Westman Atelier is to clean makeup. So the first product is their complexion drops, and they are, it looks like this tiny bottle, but it has lasted me months already, just this one little vial. So you just use a few drops on your face, and there's this great brush, also from Westman, and it just feels so nice and blends the makeup so perfectly. Highly recommend this for applying the product. It feels amazing on the skin, like a little bunny foot. I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup, so this is light coverage. If you prefer more coverage, you can do the foundation stick all over the face in lieu of the drops. However, I like to use this as a concealer. So I use this under my eyes, any dark spots that I want to cover. My skin is dry, so I really love cream-based products. They have a wonderful contour stick. I've always been intimidated by these, so this one, do not be afraid of it. It's so easy to use. It glides right over your cheekbones, across your chin, anywhere that you want to accentuate your bone structure. This little guy is amazing. You can also use this as an eyeshadow. Similarly, their blush is also cream-based. Again, super easy to use. They have another great brush. Their brushes are so great and wonderful. I love them all. But this one I use for the contour and for the blush. So on to the eyes. Two products here. The mascara, which is, I keep saying lightweight. I can't emphasize it enough, but it is. But it gives you the volume and the length that you really want out of a mascara. It doesn't smear. It's nourishing, Love this. And finally, the brow pencil has a really easy to use pencil on one end, and then if you want to give your brows, like kind of shape them, it's got your little brow brush on the other side. Last but not least, my lip gloss. This one, I think there's maybe 5 different colors. I particularly love this one. It's called Garcon. These are really lightweight, not sticky, but they do last for a long time. They last for hours before you have to reapply. And that's it for my cosmetic bag, but Pipton also carries a great assortment of hair care products. I actually just ran over there today to grab some new shampoo and conditioner. They carry Balmain, the only hair care line that is linked to a fashion house. So, you know, hits a personal chord for me. Their product it just smells so good. Both the shampoo and conditioner smell amazing. I love the connection between the beauty products and fashion. I feel like this is symbolic of my friendship with Elisha. We just kind of balance each other out. We can get a full head-to-toe look between the two shops. So you can come to Oliver, get your clothes, everything from your earrings to your shoes, and you can hop over to Pipton and get all your finishing touches, your makeup, your hair care. So thank you so much for spending some time with me today to check out the products in my bag. I hope that you'll check out Pipton on their website or Instagram. Thanks.
Good? It's good.
I can do more.
You did really good.
Oh, please.
So let's